Thank you so much, Dwayne, for that very comprehensive report. To other news now, the police are disputing claims that a high-speed chase was involved in Monday's fatal crash on the Bustamante Highway in Clarendon. Now, the incident claimed the lives of 2 students, while 2 others remain in hospital. We have the details from Carrie-Ann Simpson.
Since the fatal crash on Monday, which claimed the lives of 2 students from Lennon High School, concerns have been raised about the alleged high-speed chase which led to the incident. Head of the Public Safety and Traffic Enforcement Branch, Assistant Commissioner of Police Gary McKenzie, clarified that a joint team briefly attempted to pursue the vehicle in Maypen Town Centre, but quickly abandoned the effort.
The police or transport authority or the police and transport authority are out there within an area and someone is given direction to stop, it is expected that that should be the case. And that is where we need to start. If there is a suspicion of any illegality, the police force have a responsibility to treat with it. Having said that, based on what we have done today, we recognize the indiscriminate behavior of some of the persons that we have to deal with. And I believe that a high level of responsibility was shown.
ACP McKenzie says he will not provide any further details on the incident as it is still under investigation.
I will not get into the intricacies of the investigation at this point. An investigation includes the gathering of evidence from the scene, from persons, both from the vehicles and without. And so that investigation is continuing. The driver actually fled the scene, he was held, and we will ensure that the matter is properly investigated.
Meanwhile, ACP McKenzie is calling on road users to adhere to the country's road codes.
What we want is that we want law and order, and we want cooperation, and we want conforming with the rule of law. That is what is very important. We have started the December month very poorly, where we have some 6 deaths so far, and we really want to seek to reduce it. We only can reduce it when we have highly responsible drivers and other road users.
Carrie-Ann Simpson, TVJ News.
In the meantime...